Hello students, welcome back. So, hope you all have completed the lesson number 1 in your fair book. Today we are going to write lesson number 2 in the fair book. So, start writing. Hope you all are ready with the fair book and pencil. If not, I give you 1 minute. You can bring your fair book and your pencil and sit with it. Okay, because today what we are going to do, we have already written lesson number 1, objectives in the fair book. Today we are going to write lesson number 2, keeping safe in the fair book. So, first page, as we write only one thing on one page, so on the first page of lesson number 2, give a heading LESSO and lesson 2. What is the topic? Keeping safe. KEEPING, keeping. SAFE, keeping safe. Okay, so as I say every day, we have to write in the fair book. How will we write? I will dictate and you will write. Okay, I will repeat everything at least 3 times so easily you can write. Okay, and we are going to write the objectives. What are the objectives? Hard words, FP, MF, G2E and GOW. Okay, so let's start. So give your first headings. HARD, hard, WORDS, hard words. What is our first topic? Hard words. So, the first hard word is ourselves. OURSELVS, ourselves. OURSELVES, ourselves. What is the second one? INJURY, injury. What is injury? Do you know what is injury? Injury is the what is injury? Injury is the thing that we get it if we don't take care. इंजरी यानी क्या होता है? इंजरी यानी चोट. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? Zebra crossing are the black and white straps on the road, which is used while crossing the road. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. Zebra crossing. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. Zebra crossing. CLIMBING, climbing. CLIMBING, climbing. CLIMBING, climbing. Fifth one, subway. SUBWAY, subway. SUBWAY, subway. Sixth one, SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. So, fifth one, what is subway? Subway is an underground path that we had learned in the session also, that the underground path that students were crossing while on the busy road that is known as subway. The underground path is known as subway. Safety, that is most important thing. SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. SAFETY, safety. Scissors. What are scissors? The sharp objects that we use for cutting things. But that is very harmful for you. It is not safe for you, so you don't have to use it. SCISSORS, scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. SCISSORS, scissors. KNIVES, knives. KNIVES, knives. What is knives? Knives, plural form is knives, and K is silent here. So what do we pronounce it? Knives. But it is written KNIVES, knives. Okay. So now then, okay, you might have written the hard words. So now turn your page and write filling the blanks. Okay. First give the heading. Give this heading. FILLINTHE, the BLANKS, blanks. VWE, SHOULD, should. NOT, not. We should not. TUCH, touch. ELECTRIC, electric. SWITCHES, switches. With wet hands. WEB, SHOULD, should. NOT, not. TOUCH, touch. ELECTRIC, electric. SWITCHES, switches. WITH, with. WET, wet. HANDS, hands. We should not touch electric switches with wet hands. Second one. WEV, SHOULD, should. ALWAYS, always. WAIT, wait. FOR, for. OUR, our. TUR, and turn. WHILE, while. PLAYING, playing. ON, on. SWING, swing. We should always wait for our turn while playing on swings. What should we do? We should always wait for our turn while playing. We should not push. We should wait for our turn. We should not push anybody. Okay. So next, we should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. WEVSHOULD, should. USC, use. TH, the. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. WHILE, while. CROSSING, crossing. THE, the. ROADS, roads. We should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. What should we use while crossing the road? We should not go on the roads directly. We should use zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? The black and white strips that are on the road. Now, fourth one. We should give immediate care to an injured person. A person who gets an injury, a small cut or a wound from which you find that it is bleeding, you should help that person immediately. If it is a serious injury, you should go to the doctor, and if it is a small cut or wound, you should get help from your adult or your parents. WEVSHOULD should, GIVE give, IMMEDIATE immediate, CARE care, TONNINJURED injured, PERSON person. We should give immediate care to an injured person. Fifth one, we should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. Sometimes what we do, if we don't have an antiseptic cream's example is sulforomycin. If we don't have then what do we do? What do we use? An ordinary cream. But no, you should not use that. While you have any wipe that cuts and wounds with antiseptic cream. ANTISEPTIC, antiseptic. WEVSHOULD should, USE use, ANTISEPTIC antiseptic, CREM cream, TO2 WIPE wipe, CUTS cuts, and WOUNDS wounds. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. Once again I am repeating, we should not touch electric switches with wet hands. During this rainy season, if you have been wet due to the rain, you should not directly touch the electric switches with wet hands. We should always wait for our turn. We should not do push our friends. We should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. We should give immediate care to an injured person. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. Now, so this is match the following: wet floor, slipping, scissor, sharp object, zebra crossing, black and white strips, red light, stop, yellow light, wait or drive ahead carefully. Now make a column the way I have made. So write on the next page, make a column with a scale and a pencil. Write A here, write B here. This same thing you might not get in the exam. You will get this order in a different way and you will have to match the answers. So, how will you write? These are the direct answers. You have to learn according to this, but in exams, this slipping might be here, this slipping might be here, stop might be here, sharp objects might be somewhere else. This would happen. So, what you have to do, you have to learn this way, but when you write in the exams, you have to check that if the question is wet floor, from this B side, where is the answer slipping, and then only you have to match it accordingly. Okay. So, first is WET wet, FLOOR floor. What is the answer of wet floor? Slipping. S-L-I-P-P-I-N-G, slipping. Why is the answer slipping here on wet floor? Because when the floor is wet, there are the chances of you getting slipped on that and getting injured. So, wet floor is slipping. Scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. Scissors are what? They are the sharp objects. They are very sharp that might cut your hands or any other place also. So you are not supposed to play with the scissors. And if you want to use the scissors, you have to take and help from your adults. Okay? Zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? The black and white strips on the road. You might have seen in the lesson also while I was teaching you the lesson. If you don't remember, you can check the lesson again. There the black and white strips are given that are known as zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, zebra crossing. B-L-A-C-K, black. A and N, W-H-I-T-E, white. S-T-R-I-P-E-S, black and white stripes. What is the meaning of red light? Red light means, what does the red light mean in traffic? It is stop. Don't go. You have to wait until it gets green. So what is red light? Red light means S-T-O-P, stop. Okay. What is yellow light for? Wait. W-A-I-T, wait. What is the yellow light? There are 3 lights, correct? There are 3 lights. First is red. Second is green and yellow. So, what does this mean? Red light means S-T-O-P, stop. Yellow light means wait, and green light means go. Okay. Hope you all have understood and written. Now I am going to make you write. Give 2 examples. The first example, we have to write 2 examples of each answers. Okay. Sharp objects that can cause injury. Which are the 2 objects? Or there are so many objects, but which are the 2 objects that are mentioned in our lessons that are known as sharp objects that will cause you an injury? It might give you a cut also, a wound also, or a big injury also. Which are that? Knives and scissors. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. T-H-A-T, that. C-A-N, can. C-A-U-S-E, cause. I-N-J-U-R-Y, injury. What is the answer for that? Knives and scissors. K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Knives is the plural form of knife, and K is silent here. The pronunciation is knife. but it is written as KNIFE. Okay. What are the three colors of traffic light? Red, yellow, green. COLORS colors, OF TRAFFIC traffic, LIGST light, RED red, GREEN green, YELLOW yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. What are the three colors of traffic light? Red, green, yellow. What are the things found in a first aid box? The first aid box is very big, correct? And there are so many things: cotton, band-aid, gauze, scissors, antiseptic lotion, antiseptic cream. But here you are writing only two examples. So which are they? Cotton and band-aid. THINGS, things, FOUND, found, IN, in, a, FIRST, first, AID, 8, BOX, box, COTTON, cotton, BAND, band, AID, 8. Things found in a first aid box: cotton and band-aid. What are the sharp objects that cause injury? Knives and scissors. What are the color of traffic light? Red, yellow, green. Things that are found in a first aid box: cotton and band-aid. Last but not the least, give one word. WEVSHOULD, should, FOLLOW, follow, SAFETY, safety, RULES, rules, TO2 STAY, stay, AWAY, away, FROM, from, THI, this, INJURY, injury. We should follow safety rules to stay away from this. What is that? Injury. What should you avoid, or what should you follow? You should follow safety rules. What should you follow? Safety rules to stay away from injury. Okay. Now an underground, ANUNDER, under, GROUND, ground, PATH, path, USED, use, TO2 CROSS, cross, BUS by busy, RODS, roads, SUBWAY, subway, and underground path used to cross busy roads. What is that? Subway. It is like a tunnel that goes, see, I'll show you. It is like a small tunnel that goes here. If there is a road, it is a subway. From here you can go and you can go on the next part of the road. Okay. The green traffic light indicates this. As we learned, how many types of lights are there? There are 3 lights. Which are they? First is red. Second one is yellow. And third one is green. What does first means? Stop. Second one means wait, and third one means go. THE, the, GREE, and green, TRAFFIC, traffic, LIGST, light, INDICATES, indicates, THIS, this, GO, go. What is the answer of that? The green light Green traffic light indicates go. So from first we are revising. If anything is left, you can write. Okay. So check your first hard word with me. OURSLVS, ourselves. INJURY, injuries. ZDBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. CLIMBING, climbing. SUBWAY, subway. SAFETY, safety. SCISSORS, scissors. NKNIDES, nice. Next, we should not touch electric switches with wet hands. We should always wait for our turn while playing on swings. We should use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. We should give immediate care to an injured person. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. We dash touch electric switches with wet hands. Should or should not? Should not. We should always wait for our turn or push others while playing on the swings. Wait for our turn. We should use the zebra crossing or the elephant crossing while crossing the roads. Zebra crossing. We should give immediate care to an injured person or no care. Immediate care. We should use an antiseptic cream to wipe cuts and wounds. We should not use an ordinary cream. Match the following. Wet floor, slipping. Wet floor, slipping. Wet floor, slipping. Scissors, sharp objects. Scissors, sharp objects. Scissors, sharp objects. Zebra crossing, black and white. Zebra crossing, black and white stripes. Black and white stripes. Zebra crossing, black white stripes. Red light, stop. Red light, stop. Red light, stop. Yellow light, wait or drive ahead carefully. Yellow light, wait or drive ahead carefully. Give two examples. Sharp objects that can cause injury. Which are the two sharp objects that cause an injury? Knife, scissors, knife, scissors, knife, scissors. Colors of traffic light: red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. Red, green, yellow. 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 Things found in first aid box: cotton, band-aid. Cotton, band-aid. Cotton, band-aid. Cotton, band-aid. Give one word. We should follow safety rules. We should follow safety rules to stay away from this injury. We should follow safety rules to stay away from this injury. We should follow safety rules to stay away from this injury. An underground path used to cross busy roads. Subway. An underground path used to cross busy road. Subway. The green traffic light indicates this. The green traffic lights indicates this. Go. G-O, go. G-O, go. Okay, students. So we have completed the second lesson. Objectives here. Soon, that is tomorrow, we'll be writing the question answers of lesson 1 and 2. maybe 3 also. So tomorrow you have to complete all these things and send me on my number, so I will check it and I will tell you. Okay, so I want everybody to do it compulsory. So you have to do it this in the fair book. As soon as the school reopens, I will check this. So everybody has to do it, and from this only it will be asked in the exams also. So be prepared with that. Thank you for listening to me. Soon we will meet. Soon, that is tomorrow, we will meet. Thank you. Goodbye everyone.